like we're off-centered.
A little bit.
Okay.
Hey guys, no, I'm trying to change it, but it doesn't feel natural anymore.
What's up, y'all?
I want you to come in with that energy every time you film.
That energetic.
That's what you gotta do, a couple takes. You gotta do a couple takes. Hey lovelies, my name is Noria. Welcome back to my channel. It took a while, but my sister finally made her channel. So she is going to be focusing on college life and what?
College life, just high school stuff for getting ready to go into college, like your senior, junior year, and overall just tips to really make your college transition pretty easy.
So apparently life skills.
Yeah,
I guess it's important. I guess that's important because heaven forbids you're stuck like me doing beauty and fitness.
College.
JK. JK. But yeah, just go ahead and check out her channel. This is my little spiel doing my sisterly civic duty to say she has a channel, and all her links will be in the description box below. Anything you like to add? What's your first video? When's it coming out? What's going on? What's going on, girl?
Alright, so the first video is going to be about tips for your first week of college, how to make that transition easier. When it's coming out, I don't know. Hopefully by the end of this week, maybe. I don't know when this is going up either.
This probably won't go up till next week, but so hopefully the video will already be up. So if any of you lovely subscribers are college students or even high school students going into college, definitely you want to check her out. Homegirl is just badass in her own right. Scholarships, internships.
Scholarships will be the next video, so stay tuned for that one.
Shameless plug. She's got it. She's ready. She's ready. So yeah, if you're looking for tips, and definitely from someone who has like her crap going on. So information will be in the description box below. She's leaving me next week. She's going back to school. Well, not back to school, but she's going to her apartment. She doesn't get kicked out of her dorm.
Yeah.
So
I have to move my stuff out and then move into the apartment, then move again.
So yeah, she's get to do that. She's leaving me, but we're still gonna make our workouts and everything work. So yep.
FaceTime.
Yeah, FaceTime. No Zoom.
Zoom has spy issues. We're not using Zoom.
No Zoom. But yep, that is pretty much it. I will see you guys in the next one. Definitely don't forget to check out her channel and subscribe to both of us. Because I mean, why not?
Why not?
Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.